Nasema tu my fans, thank you for coming. Nashukuru my wife for showing up and always supporting me during my camp. Nashukuru kwanza Mungu manze amekuwa there for me and my team with my manager here Vic anakuanga there for me always. And
I'll ask promoters and everybody that this is not a fun. It's something very serious in sports. You know, boxing is a science, and when they joke around, we are not going to agree.
Yes, I can say it was a success. The fights were good, and yeah, we are happy Wasike got the Commonwealth title, and we are hoping for more big belts to come in the country as we keep on pushing other fighters to grow and elevate their boxing levels.